It's a science-tastic time, learners. Welcome to Rationale 3740 with yours truly, Sir Lizon. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how to answer or derive the solution for a given mole problem. This is the exact word problem given in your Science 9 second quarter pre-final and final exams, specifically allotted for item numbers 37 to 40. So the word problem reads, how many moles of lithium are there in 5 septillion and 418 sextillion atoms of lithium? Upon reading the problem, we must identify what is asked or what is required. In this problem, it seeks for the number of moles, given the number of particles. To solve the problem, we must also know the given data or information. In this case, it is 5 septillion and 418 sextillion atoms or lithium atoms. When we convert it to decimal form, we have 5418 followed by 21 zeros. Or, since it is a very large number, we must convert it to the scientific notation, which is equal to 5.418 times 10 to the 24th power. We also have to remember this constant when dealing with mole concept problems. Always take note that a mole in terms of chemistry is always rooted to the Avogadro's number, and Avogadro's number is equal to 602 sextillion, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power particles. This can also be in atoms, molecules, or formula units. So a mole is 602 sextillion in number. Let's start deriving the solution by writing the given 5.418 times 10 to the 24th power atoms. To multiply with the conversion factor, 1 mole per 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. Also, do not forget the units. Notice the unit atoms can be cancelled, so we must remove them. Then multiply 5.418 atoms to 1 mole lithium. Still the same, so copy. And also the denominator 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. It is now 5.418 times 10 to the 24th power mole of lithium over 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. When operating with scientific notation forms, we must be particular of rules or guidelines to follow. Since we are dividing, we focus to the numbers before the multiplication sign. These are 5.418 and 6.02. So 5.418 divided by 6.02, that becomes 0.9. Copy the times 10. The exponents will subtract since we are dividing. So 24 minus 23, that is 1. This now equals to 0.9 times 10 to the first power. This is an improper scientific notation. We can rewrite it as 9 times 10 to the 0 power moles of lithium, or in decimal form, it is 9 moles of lithium. That is the final answer to our word problem. In conclusion, there are 9 moles of lithium given 5 septillion, 418 sextillion atoms of it. So, this has been your Sir Lizon, and I hope you have a science-tastically awesome learning. Thank you.